So I am headed back to Natchez, Mississippi. Me and a bean and kittens, Theodore, Ted, and Balfour, all headed back to Natchez, Mississippi to get some things done and get some more advertising work done and some house stuff done and some other things done, some business things done. And I'm looking forward to getting all that done and catching up with everything there. But I really already miss my girl. This is really stupid and a hard time in our lives to be apart from each other so long. So I'm already planning on coming back like in a week and a half to Conway. I have to look at the calendar and make sure that's all feasible, but I think I can do that. Don't you guys feel sorry for us having to be apart? I know a lot of people do this like every week. They're like apart all week long and stuff, but we're just not used to it. And so it's very hard for us. But we're making the best of it and making things happen. Certainly appreciate all of the well wishes that you guys have given us for this weird time in our lives. And you know, appreciate that you're like hanging in there while we're doing store stuff, which is not at all why you came to this podcast. I've been listening to podcasts. It's not at all why you're here on this YouTube channel, because I'm sure you don't really follow a lot of dress stores, but you know, hopefully you find some of the things of the restart of that store interesting. And of course, Lane's always interesting. So yeah, we appreciate you guys, but it's just a hard time for us. Still trying to give you guys good content and stuff to watch so you can see what's going on in the world of our Restoration Nation. But yeah, gonna go back to me being alone in the cottage with my friend Mr. Bean. Had to come sit next to me and sit on the Oreos, but y'all hang in there with us. I'll get you some more house updates here in the next couple of days. Can you see my rainbow coming into Natchez? It's like really short and really wide. Zoom in a little bit more. Oh no, it's hard to keep on camera when you're driving. Bean. Don't hit daddy. Where did it go? There it is. Natchez welcomes me. Hello, Natchez. Now it really looks like the rainbow is coming down at Hope Farm, because that's right where I'm going. You think that it's like a magical rainbow and someone will have completely redone that house? That would be nice. We'll see. Almost home. Safely back in Natchez. Into the rainbow. You're not a brick mason? Nope. It's looking good though. Needed somebody to get down there and dig in the dirt, didn't it? Eddie been working on this side. That looks good. Got to get back on this window today. Well, as soon as I can. Get it primed. That one looks good. Looks real nice. Got to do this one too, really. Didn't even think about it, but I do. So Eddie's been working hard on this floor, getting it patched up, and he's got some bad, like splintered sections there, huh? That he is coming in and...
See where it broke off, like on this one?
Oh, yeah, yeah.
And I'm taking,
So he's...
run my router down it, channel it out, make it nice and straight. This one's a little thin, I got to... I just make a little patch piece.
So is that
make it look just like it
is that a piece of new pine you've got there, or what is that?
Piece of cypress.
It's cypress, okay.
It's the same, all the same species in here.
Yeah. I think that's pretty good, especially since this whole floor basically will be under rug. So we've got more sections like that over there. Man, I didn't see this much damage in here. More of it over here. No wonder you've been working in here so long. So many problems. I mean, I think we should do the same thing with these over here, don't you? I don't think this is gonna hold up.